Want to transfer files from a USB flash drive to your iPhone? In this video, I will show simple and easy steps to send files like PDFs, music, documents, and more from a USB flash drive or camera memory cards. So, let's get started. To connect directly to your iPhone and transfer data, you will require a Type-C USB flash drive. But if you have a traditional flash drive without USB-C, don't worry. You can use third-party USB adapters. As you can see, we can use a USB to Type-C or a versatile adapter. Connect the USB flash drive to your iPhone with or without an adapter. Then, to check if it is properly in use, launch the Files app on your iPhone. Go to the Browse section and check if your flash drive name is available. Then, tap to open and view flash drive files. Afterward, long press the file and select the Copy or Move option. For example, I am choosing the Copy option. Tap the back button at the top to exit the USB flash drive. Then, select the On My iPhone section. Find the folder where you want to transfer the copied data. Finally, long press on the blank space on your iPhone and tap on the Paste option. You can also select multiple files and transfer them to your iPhone folders. To move photos and videos from iPhone Photos app to external USB-C flash drive, select the photos and video from top select option. Tap on Share icon at bottom left corner. Scroll to Save to Files on Share sheet. Select External Drive under the Browse section. Select USB drive name and transfer data you want to move. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.